Good morning, students. Today we are going to start another type of differentiation, which is derivative of parametric function. Parametric functions in which the value of two different functions depends upon same variable. Means you have given a function y equals something and another function x equals something, which is a function of, it may be a function of t, theta, or any other variable, and you have to find the value of dy over dx. So how to find or how to solve this type of differentiation? Let's see. In this, the question is given as differentiate x equal a cos theta plus log tan theta by 2 and y equal a sin theta if x equal this and y equal this, then it is asked to you find dy over dx find dy over dx, or it is also include that put the value of theta, means dy over dx at theta equal pi by 4, means after finding the value of dy over dx you have put the value of theta equals to pi by 4. So let's start. X is a function of theta, y is a function of theta. So first we will find dx over d theta and dy over d theta. X equal a cos theta plus log tan theta by 2. Dx over d theta equal a differentiation of cos theta is minus sin theta plus log tan theta by 2, means 1 upon tan theta by 2, and the differentiation of tan theta by 2 is sec square theta by 2. Again differentiation of theta by 2 is 1 by 2. Clear? So this is equals to a times minus sin theta plus, this can be written as 1 upon sin theta by 2 upon cos theta by 2 into 1 upon cos square theta by 2. Cos theta, 1 cos theta by 2 is cancelled into 1 by 2. This is equals to sin theta by 2 cos 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. A minus sin theta plus 1 upon sin theta. यहाँ पे लिख दीजिए, because sin theta equal to sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. So this is equals to a minus sin theta plus cosec theta. This is the value of dx over d theta. We can write this value here, dx over d theta equal a times minus sin theta plus cosec theta. Now we will find dy over d theta. dy over d theta equal d over d theta a sin theta equal a cos theta. Now dy over dx equal dy over d theta whole upon dx over d theta equal, put the value of dy over d theta which is equals to a cos theta, and the value of dx over d theta is a minus sin theta plus cosec theta. A cancel out, this is equals to cos theta upon cosec theta minus sin theta. Now we have to find dy over dx at theta equal pi by 4. So dy over dx at theta equal pi by 4 equal, put the value of theta pi by 4. So this will equals to cos pi by 4 upon cosec pi by 4 minus sin pi by 4 equal, cos pi by 4 is 1 by root 2, cosec pi by 4 is root 2 minus sin pi by 4 is 1 by root 2 equal 1 upon root 2 whole upon, taking LCM, this is equals to 2 minus 1 upon root 2. Root 2 will cancel out, equals to 1. This is your answer. So in this way you have to solve other questions. Let's see the next question. You have given that x equal log t plus cos t and y equal e की power t plus sin t. Find dy over dx. Okay, so first we will see that x is the function of t and y is also the function of t. So we will find dx over dt, which is equals to d over dt log t plus cos t equal, differentiation of log t is 1 upon t and cos t is minus sin t. dy over dt equal d over dt e की power t plus sin t. Differentiation of e की power t is e की power t plus differentiation of sin t is cos t. Now dy over dx equal dy over dt upon dx over dt equals to e की power t plus cos t whole upon 1 upon t minus sin t. Taking LCM, we get 1 minus t sin t, and this t will go to the numerator, t e की power t plus cos t. This is your answer. Solve the questions which I have given you in the PDF. If you have any doubt, then you can ask.